So my mom taught me how to cook, and that's why I am good in the kitchen. I know how to cook. And again, when I was in secondary school, my
guys, wahala be like bicycle as Bobrisky don't come out to let us know say she knows how to cook, that her mother taught her well. Shading her former bestie Tonto Dikeh, no be small thing. She make videos, see her they turn eba like pro. Like guys, she came out shading her bestie that she knows how to cook. Now trust Tonto now. Tonto Dikeh replied her.
I have feelings for you, I have feelings for you. I got out. I got out. I got out. I have feelings for you, I have feelings for you. I got out.
Guys, Tonto Dikeh is also letting us know what she think about someone that says that they love you.
I have feelings for you, I have feelings for you. I got out. I got out. I got out. I have feelings for you, I have feelings for you. I got out.
A love is not a love if the person who is in love doesn't love the habit of spending on the one that he loves.